Welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss about identity provider. An identity provider, or in short IDP. It is a system or service that manages and authenticates user identities and provides authentication and authorization services to other applications, websites, or services. Its primary function is to verify the identity of users and share their authentication information with relying parties, also known as service providers or SPs, when they request access to protected resources. Identity providers are commonly used in single sign-on (SSO) systems where a user logs in once to the IDP and is then granted access to multiple applications or services without having to re-enter their credentials. This streamlines the login process for users and simplifies security management for organizations. Key characteristics of identity providers include authentication. Identity provider authenticate users by verifying their credentials, which can include usernames and passwords, biometric data, or multi-factor authentication (MFA) methods. User identity management. Identity provider store user account information, such as usernames, passwords, and additional profile data. Token generation. After successful authentication, identity provider issue security tokens. Examples are SAML, OAuth, or OpenID Connect tokens that contain information about the user's identity and access rights. Authorization. Identity provider control access to protected resources by verifying the user's identity and ensuring they have the necessary permissions. Federated identity. In a federated identity system, identity providers work together to enable SSO across multiple domains or organizations. This allows users to access resources across various domains using a single set of credentials. Common examples of identity providers include Microsoft Entra ID, Okta, Google Identity Platform, Auth0, OneLogin, Ping Identity, Facebook Login, OpenID Connect providers, for example, Google, Microsoft. Identity providers are a crucial component of modern identity and access management (IAM) solutions, helping organizations enhance security, user experience, and access control while reducing the need for users to remember multiple sets of credentials for different services.